Are there any other presentations that sort of jumped out?
It was Advent around their Epic install. And they gave a price point of $750 million. And I was kind of stunned by that number. That is, if you think about that, that just seems astronomical to me. So I was really surprised at that number. I mean, I haven't been through a full Epic install. I've been through pieces of it, and UPMC on the ambulatory side did it, I believe, in the late 90s or early 2000s. So I'm sure the price points have increased exponentially, but that's a significant price tag. And I know that an EMR is a necessity, but I struggle with how there's a return on investment for that. So I really, again, you think about the barriers to entry. Well, one of the opportunities for entry is when price points get to be very, very high. So that just struck me as, I don't know if you caught that, Bill. That was
I've heard that conversation. I've had that conversation in several different levels. It's interesting to me because they're going from Cerner to Epic. It's not like they're going from disparate systems and whatnot. I think they have a consolidated system already. And my concern on these things is that the grass is greener on the other side. You still have to be able to execute against creating the system to work, creating the order sets and creating the workflows and all those other things. And if you can't do it on top of Cerner, there's a better than average chance you're going to struggle on top of Epic. And you just spent, actually, as much as the 750 million is hard to get a return on, the 2 years that you end up spinning is also something that's hard to get a return on. But at the end of the day, would you rather be a system on a single consolidated platform with common order sets and common set of books and that kind of stuff? Or would you like to have the challenge that Ascension has, where they have 55 different EMRs running 140 different hospitals?